Nourish. To provide food or care to help grow or stay healthy. Fruits and vegetables nourish the body. She nourished the plants every day with water and sunlight. Illuminate. To light up or make something clearer. The streetlights illuminate the road at night. Her explanation illuminated the topic for everyone. Console. To comfort someone who is sad or disappointed. I tried to console my friend after the loss. She was consoled by her family during difficult times. Bewildered. Very confused and not sure what to do. I was bewildered by the complicated instructions. He looked bewildered after hearing the strange news. Reluctant. Unwilling or hesitant to do something. He was reluctant to speak in front of the class. She gave a reluctant nod of agreement. Fragile. Easily broken or damaged. Be careful. The glass is fragile. Her feelings are fragile after the breakup. Radiant. Shining brightly or showing happiness. The sun was radiant in the sky. She looked radiant on her wedding day. Mourn. To feel or show deep sadness for someone who died. They mourned the loss of their grandmother. People gathered to mourn the dead. Scarce. Very little in amount, hard to find. Water is scarce in desert areas. During war, food was scarce. Zeal. Great enthusiasm or energy for a cause or activity. He worked with zeal to finish the project. Her zeal for learning impressed the teacher. Wither. To dry up or become weak and lifeless. The flowers withered without water. His hope withered after repeated failures. Tame. To train a wild animal or to make something easier to control. The lion was tamed by the trainer. He tamed his anger and stayed calm. Meager. Very small in amount, not enough. He earns a meager salary. The food supply was meager during the drought. Crave. To want something very much. I crave chocolate late at night. He craved attention from his parents. Gloomy. Dark, sad, or hopeless. The weather is gloomy today. She felt gloomy after hearing the bad news. Enrage. To make someone very angry. His rude comment enraged her. Lies always enrage my father. Soothe. To calm or comfort someone who is upset or in pain. She soothed the crying baby. A warm bath can soothe sore muscles. Fierce. Very strong, violent, or intense. The lion looked fierce. There was a fierce debate in the meeting. Drenched. Completely wet or soaked. He got drenched in the rain. Her clothes were drenched with sweat. Wail. To cry loudly in pain, grief, or anger. The baby wailed all night. She wailed after hearing the sad news.